mother's womb, how to get in. Mother, go first. Get your leg in. Okay. On the other side, we're going to straddle the hammock. Make a seat. Sit down in it. Gather your baby. Okay, now we're going to spread the legs out. Now, Mom, we're going to fold the legs in to create a cocoon, to create the womb, mother's womb. And to get out of it, we extend our legs. We bring the fabric down under our knees. We help our child out first, swinging one leg over, and then pulling yourself up and out. Start being in front of the hammock. The hammock is behind me. I'm going to lower myself down into a swing seat. And I'm going to create a seat right behind me. Bring your child, have them climb up into your knees. Put your feet on either side of my waist and lower yourself down. Okay, now we're going to hang on hands and we're going to lean back at the same time. This is birth. To come out of it, help your child pull together. Help your child lean up. Grab on tight. Okay. Raise yourself up. And then go ahead and lower yourself down off the fabric. And then pull yourself up and out of the seated position. To get into it, I want to walk myself forward onto the fabric. Make sure my arms are out, and then walk yourself back down to the ground. And here's the tricky part. We have to get this fabric to extend past our hips. I do that by folding my knees up so my feet are in the hammock, and I use my feet to just slide the fabric down into the crow's Shavasana variation, and then go ahead and roll underneath me. Baby, tummy time. So to get out of this position, it's really easy. You just roll to one side. Bring your feet back out of the hammock. Downward dog it. Walk yourself up. Okay, this next pose is called supportive mother. If you've ever had a supportive mother, have her stand in front of the fabric like this and get a good wrap around the arms to hang on to the fabric, and then slide down into chair pose. Your child's then going to climb up into your lap. So you sit down on my arms to climb up into my lap. Okay? There you go. Stand up and then hang onto the fabric. Up there you go. Lean back with just your elbows. There you go. This is supportive mother, variation 1. To get out of it, your child pulls them out to standing. Pull yourself to standing. Lower yourself to standing. Lower yourself. Lower yourself down. There you go. There you go. And then stand up. Okay. Variation 2 of supportive mother is very much like variation 1. You wrap your arms around and get a good hold to go into chair position, chair pose. Grab onto the fabric, pull yourself up. Okay, and now you're going to turn yourself around. And now you're going to lean forward with just your elbows. Variation 2 of supportive mother. To come out of this, again, the child pulls himself to standing. Pull yourself up. Lower yourself down the fabric. And step off. And then just stand up. This is protective mother, getting into the fabric with my right foot. I hoist myself up. Okay, now I need to spread the fabric. I can do that by pushing on one side and sliding my foot to the other and climbing up. And now my son will show you how to get into downward dog. Protective mother. Just as easy to get out. Son, go ahead and raise yourself up. Up down the box, slide down, step down, release. So for this next move is circle of life. We're going to start off in a downward dog position. You do that by taking your hammock fabric in front of you and extending it to your lower hip. So below the belly, just your lower hip, lean forward into downward dog. Extend your legs back. Bring your child over. And they'll stand in between your legs and hang on to them. You bring your legs up. Try not to kick. And then grab onto their feet and they'll let go. Like that. To come out of it, put their feet back. Lower your legs. The child is released. Walk yourself up. And you're done. This is multitasker mama. And we start off with an inversion. We get into our inversion with you in front of the hammock. Mom, in front of the hammock. We're going to lean back, bring our legs up into a V. You take one leg and lock it behind the hammock with your foot curling on the front of the other side of the hammock. Put your hands on the ground, pull yourself forward. Have your child grab your toe. Placing your hands around the base of your child's feet. This is multitasking mama. To get out of it, just have your child step away. Grab a good hearty grab onto the hammock and release your legs into a V. Pull yourself up. And with your feet on the ground, come out of the hammock.